Hey guys, today I have the Outinput 2K window camera. This device has Wi-Fi, a 3 megapixel lens and 2K full color night vision, sound detection, motion detection, real-time notifications, optical zoom. It works with an SD card and the cloud service, and the app is free. So if you use it with an SD card, you don't have any additional costs. I always use my cameras with an SD card, so I don't have to pay anything extra. The benefits of using a window camera instead of an outdoor camera is that you install it inside of your home, and it is much safer, can get stolen or destroyed that easily. It's easier to install, and it's not in the rain or in the intense sun all the time, so it probably lasts longer. I have a bunch of outdoor cameras, but I've never used a window camera before, so I'm really looking forward to it. The window camera comes with a power cable and a power adapter. It doesn't have a built-in battery, so you need a power source all the time. It also has an angle mount and 2 magnetic stickers and cable organizers. So let's check it out. Everything you need is included in the package. The camera is small and lightweight and has a built-in magnet. It's very easy to install. You just have to attach the mounting bracket or one of the mounting stickers to your window, and the camera easily attaches thanks to the built-in magnet. The picture quality is good. If you record a video, it includes the date and time and the name of the company, but you can turn that off in the app settings. The zoom functionality is really good because when you zoom in, it stays like that all the time, so you can actually use the camera in zoom mode. Okay, and that's the Outinput 2K window camera. It's actually a pretty solid device, pretty good picture quality. The app works pretty good, reliable real-time notifications, and it's very easy to mount, and it's also a pretty small device. So if you're looking for a window camera instead of an outdoor camera, get yourself the Outinput 2K window camera. I can highly recommend it. Check out the link in the description and get yourself one.